Hey guys, it's Sameer Chhabra from MobileSyrup. I'm here with managing editor Patrick O'Rourke. We're at Cassette to take a look at the BlackBerry KEY2.
Great news, folks. We've got ourselves a brand new BlackBerry. Thinner, lighter, and more angular than its predecessor, the BlackBerry KEY2 is a smartphone that leverages the traditional BlackBerry aesthetic while introducing some modern trimmings to the company's flagship smartphone. The device packs in 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, as well as a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. The phone ships with Android 8.1 Oreo, and BlackBerry says that there are plans to update the phone to Android P. In terms of hardware, the KEY2 features a revised keyboard with keys that are 20% larger than the KEY1. The new keys aren't just larger, however, they're also more comfortable to use, providing users with a more immersive typing experience. You'll notice that there's no right shift key on this keyboard. Instead, BlackBerry added something that it calls the speed key. Unlike the KEY1, users can access all of the KEY2's 52 programmable keys from within any application, all thanks to that speed key. However, the KEY2's most notable features are the device's dual rear camera setup, as well as the inclusion of advanced security and privacy features, like a new locker application that requires added layers of authentication to access, as well as an updated and improved BlackBerry DTech app.
So that was it. That was the BlackBerry KEY2. I think you'll agree it's an interesting phone with an interesting design. Check into MobileSyrup for the full review, and also please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. For MobileSyrup, I'm Sameer Chhabra.